Mastering mixed tenses in reported speech. Dodge common pitfalls and excel. Hello everyone. Welcome to another engaging English learning session. Today, we will delve into a crucial aspect of intermediate English grammar, reported speech. We'll specifically concentrate on mixed reporting, focusing on how to master reporting speech with mixed tenses. Furthermore, we'll highlight some of the common mistakes and tips for improvement in this area. Let's get started. In this part, we'll be explaining the concept of mixed tenses in reported speech. Understanding this will allow you to report spoken or thought messages correctly, regardless of when they occurred. It will also help to maintain the accuracy of the reported message, whether the events happened in the past, are happening presently, or will occur in the future. Next, we will highlight some of the common mistakes learners often make when using mixed tenses in reported speech. These mistakes could be around using the wrong tense or not maintaining the context of the original speech. Identifying these errors is the first step towards fixing them. Understanding these mistakes can significantly improve your use of mixed reporting. Once we have a grasp of common mistakes, we will delve into tips for improving your usage of mixed reporting. These practical tips and strategies will empower you to use mixed tenses in reported speech more effectively and accurately, helping you to avoid common mistakes and elevate your language proficiency. Lastly, we'll discuss some excellent resources for further learning and practice. Although we cannot insert links here, we will mention books, workbooks, apps, and other learning materials that will help you enhance your understanding of mixed reporting. These resources will allow you to practice until you become comfortable with mixed tenses in reported speech. That's a wrap for today's session. We hope this video will be a great resource in your journey to mastering mixed tenses in reported speech. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep refining your skills, avoid those common pitfalls, and soon enough, you'll find your English language proficiency reaching new heights. Stay tuned for more lessons, and until next time, happy learning!